Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Udun Aliuddin. I am from HI37. Finally, I'm coming back to you. Welcome back to Endless World of IPI. Today we are gonna be talking about which do you prefer, working in a land-based hotel or cruise ship and why? I prefer working in a cruise ship. There are many reasons why I prefer to working in a cruise ship. First, big income. The cruise ship companies gives dollar salaries to its workers. Some companies even pay their workers in euros. Let's just say if we work at the lowest level like a dishwasher, they can get a salary of around 600 US dollar. It's different if we work in a land with low salary. Traveling around the world. One of the main reasons I prefer working in a cruise ship was opportunity to travel to many places. Traveling around the world without paying expensive hotel and food, visiting world popular tourist attraction for free. By working in a cruise ship, we can enjoy it. Now the culture of other countries. The cruise ship workers come from almost all over the world. We will automatically interact with them. We will get a lot of knowledge about the culture of other countries from our co-workers on cruise ship. International friendship. The friends we get from all over the world are the best part of working on a cruise. This naturally includes learning about their country and culture. Also, working on a cruise also has some disadvantages, but I have thought about it, so I still prefer to working on a cruise ship. Thank you so much for learning English with me, and see you again on another video here in English World of IPI. See you in the next time. Bye.